Sanbor Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
University, Meghalaya.
UMLA ka South Shillong constituency uba Sanbor Shullai ubadairu Menteri Sarkar Jela. Hakat praterik naitung aja penriau ula pelipat ba ya ka Ïewdak kapasau mala jong komunis kabalasna Ïewdak Laban. Bat kabadan lang bat ka community hall jong ka darbas nong Laban. Ya ka balapi bisa da ka North Eastern Hills Council ka Sarkar India. Haka jinglot ka bakot khat sau klur arpnyo laksan pawajar tingka. Ya ka balawat lan bat kit khiahi da uba Sanbor Shullai. Kajing snai kani ka Ïewdak kelapen mentoy hadu kata-kata kinong dia madan haka than Laban. Kiba menta kelalat no slap ka sngi kal air bat yoru ya ka caka di jingde ka papaka. Kabala biang lon ki jingdong kam na dong syadong. Haka ni ka sngi lasak hilang ru du sekretari ke NEC Usatendar Kumar, Chief Executive Officer ka Shillong Municipal Board PK Boro, Executive Engineer Municipal uba FB Khan, Assistant Engineer Municipal uba EG Binan pat kiway-kiway.
We are here to witness of opening of this road by the government of Meghalaya, inauguration of adequate drainage system including improvement of PUD downwards up to last stop bridge Laban Shillong, sanctioned under PUD SPA scheme 2025-26, plan initiated and recommended and inaugurated by the local MLA. Again, today we are witnessing regarding the inauguration of this foundation stone for this new market. It's a developed market from office of the Basham and community hall. Please open. Government of Meghalaya, inauguration of newly constructed RCC plus 4 commercial building, Ïewdak Laban Municipal Market, Shillong, Community Hall of the Basham Laban, funded 2,500 into OH creation of capital assets amount to 14 crores, 27.
A big round of applause for the special gift, please.
Asked him, when was this market was established? He said, because the Assam Club is 1896. 1896. He told me that prior to that, because his mother, he started selling fish in the year 1936. So the old marketplace was in Paimon, in Shillong. The first market was in Shillong. That is in Paimon School. When he shifted to Yom Maulong, because of the government was planning to, that time the British government was planning to construct the Paimon School. So they have shifted it to Yom Maulong. So ultimately, this Laban has shifted the market right here in Ïewdak with that kerosene torch. Dong Musa, we call it Dong Musa. So those were the story of that time. So he told me that prior to 1896, that Ïewdak is here. And the name is Ïewdak. And the first post office was also here in Shillong. Very much here, that adjacent to this market only. So Laban being one of the oldest locality in Shillong, that's when we have those kind of story. Those things may be not recorded, but we came to know from the oral traditions. So these are the things. So hakajo kapor nga pediang sobhai gini ki parlok nong chong yo jungi. Kiba dah kemen siang kepada kemen mukila yo ikani. Banya dah kejing pu samki men kasile. Hapor ki ria tiar ki lair ki tatan tu kanong kanu nuji tanam mukila yo ek jaka. Kidon gili si bampod yo kumba ong lang perkhat komiti ngin sale second phase ni magari tang sa first phase ban penkria ki nong song yo sa kani ka yo batmai ba pila man sang dalu monde. Te ni sotna chibu ni fi ke ek kejing pat ang snong galong. Ba so ha fi ke jing khoi ban sumar khôi je ka ya bat sumar khôi je ka ya nadu nasus kemut nadu na pisen ba pin buai plastik hang tu ban thap i jabo ki jaban ba kham tam ki nong di siar dak ba burom mo ban le khôi ka snam ke im tu plas tu ban khôi ban thap be ya po plastik ban ai ha ki ki brio ki ba ka truck ban datang step ka ban dong ka municipal truck ban kit ki jabo mo le kam ta ban chong plastik kan thang ki khôi ke jing la ta kan don ke jing khôi so ba ro so tunat hi ban one yo one tiet ijing tiet but kumba pi minin kan no yut umi nang to bale ke jing tersat kum to ngin sot nat ban lem to tengi kwa ai bakan khut ke ni ka yo nama ka di ka yo jong pi but ka jaka ka bagi wan ki brio ngin ken kan tang ka ru but ni ban sumar khut ya ka nadu mdi tang ka yo nadu gini ki building ki ba ni pilon kam ta
in providing assistance to construct this very beautiful municipal market, which has been inaugurated by our very favorite, people's favorite local MLA and Minister in charge, Sanbor Shullai. All the distinguished guests present here today, the Rongbasnongs, and my dear senior citizens, brothers and sisters, I'll be very brief in my speech. At the welcome address, the Dorbarsunong, who is very close friend of mine, Karwalang, has already mentioned that the speech must be very short and sweet. I am very pleased today that we are able to dedicate this very beautiful G+4 municipal market to the people of Laban area, in particular, and the Shillong city in general. You have seen the Laban market when I was student in St. Andrews College in the year 92 onwards. I had not seen the RCC buildings, but today I have seen Laban is really developing, and the market that we had at Ïewdak, it was at the very savvy stage. That's why I think local MLA, he had a vision to bring this G+4 commercial complex for the people of Laban, and the credit goes to my team and the Rongbasnong who had cooperated well to bring this building at this stage, and we have allotted the market to throw a draw of lots. We don't want to We do not want to make partiality so that there will be transparency in the allocation of shops, trade-wise. That we have done, and most of the wet and dry waste vendors, they have received the number, and they will start from today itself, since the building has been inaugurated today. I am very happy, the people of Laban. I am really grateful to them. They have cooperated too much. As my colleague Baumfer has already stated that the solid waste management rules 2026, it has gone to the Supreme Court. Now Supreme Court is monitoring the segregation of waste. The role and responsibility that has been assigned to municipal, it doesn't limit only to the municipal board. It is the duty and responsibility of the citizens and the localities to segregate the waste at 4 streams. And we are imparting trainings, we are creating awareness. I do hope, I do believe my target is to make the Shillong city as one of the cleanest city.
Habanang kong sobrang ingu ublay ba hadir mga la sajid balong kumemeli te ngasukmen na dum si merangkat porok kido susung ng konsumsi nomor ba lala ban yo ina kayo kancaka hakaba ka ba he nga but mensua hapor bengi de yakna in lawan school kadai Ïewdak kabala naga Ïew na ru por phareng ngaso bana ku blay ru ya iba PK boro bolong CEO Shillong Municipal Board iba FP Khan bolong executive engineer kiba de ki backbone kiba pen kre ya DPR haki haus na marajar kuar bar mentau sena marajar pun riu na lan pendem nilai tristom ban aku blay ru ya chief minister ban boro ki cabinet minister kiba ya yaram baru ki minister apa Delhi ki bangilalej banyakren ban ruki officer ng NEC ki balai yang nak fund ke balong hadu kat saukurun no pusan lang te ngi sokumen kumunong chong sunong ba ha ba he angne ngi sokumen balayo yang nak yo balong G+3 lan di saumala kaban yarab ru ban ai kamai jam ya ki long yang badok ke bakru bom dukam dam jam ban kamai jakpo ada kalalong ke pliang ja yong ki dok sup siang sem te ngasok bana do kata-kata ba nagaliang jong urban affairs department lengba kecing ini by initiate nagaliang Shillong Municipal Board rangkat ban mga ku MLA ba dang sian ni layo sanction biang pada yang caka bang Ïeng sa arkrur kabangin yang ada ka hapo ang ilayo ro ka dorbar snong ya ka dorbar hall jong dorbar snong te ban suya thu ya pi kalong ba kanegan de ka dorbar snong kayo kubading konge ang ka konsumsi bar ka baru kanne ka snong laban ka balatha ka baladon no por pare hadin board post snem menta nginyo no ya ia la ka jongka dorbar snong kai ka dorbar hall ka kumti hall kum ka balong hagi po snem ni hapo ka dorbar snong laban ngim don dorbar hall dangi plong yak jingalang bakan tang jongi yak jingalang yak dorbar snong meetings ni haban pelong hau tunu mutendai jongki perlokas mis jongi asam club daga bang haban siu ka pisa teu boleh musim laino ni atre ni doai mir berbersingi barahaba hadu ngilayo ngilayan pedap ya ka hagapur babiang but ngalong ba kaben hadu kata but kabasa bat kalong ba ngap ha ya kubur ko bala umaneru bakin song yo kilong kabele ku kilong be disiplin kibakin ngila kerpat ya kiru bat kiru kianget bakin sumari ka kumbak ki sumari la ka jonga Ïeng asam tekine gidi ki ba ngi sultanan bahaga por ka jonga ko mamili lala penyo ya kayo kom dorbar hall jong dorbar sinong Laban kindon kumbasan Shullai kini belasong lupa ngiladap ai mentala don stio ngilale de lokidip kram gini yo jong nombor lagi jong sto nilai lelang aga jing don kat jonga ko memeli kadot rong ba shnong ba dorbar nagaliang chigi officer jong silong municipal board bat kinong yo baro kitu kide existing ba shongmun chua hangne aga por bangi slang ban pentrei ya kana ka market ya kana yo te ngila penkria ya kitam perihang ta akman la pensinar gatin te la aisha tang itu ba shong te gini ki pat kini ki barang sa pan kalong bingin saya shong bang la join meeting bingin saya page kinsa kisa kami nagaliang jongga shilong municipal board ka dobar sinong bakin page na kamtam na kasinong second thai sing samla kin page bah badit baki de benyo ye ki baduk ki perdo kata ro abata ye ki kundon jongga shilong municipal board kilong dress chicken te mencisi hapor ba ngawan inspection hangne ngile kendu ya ki kile ya thu ba kilayo ko ke jaka hangne hajan kilawai ko ke jaka bukinya ke kinya senyang lang ya kau kedukan hang tu sabar jong nega yo hang tu ki pen ku ji siar nda kelade ko rai kini ki dress chicken apo bandi kalong nagalang ka Shillong municipal board daga jinga trayang mo kador Shillong kan ka kinsa fix ya karil nomor ba hangne ka municipal ka ban pe maintenance ka ban pe ya ka laj ya ka umbam di ka jing penkuj ke maintenance ki syokidar ki security banai tulop te kamut empala banong ya ka rit kimpat fix ki dia syong ban pekat bala kumu meling akarpat ya ka Shillong municipal board baga dorbar syong bakin pej baga long reasonable kan long kapa long reasonable ka bonum he than krang ba kila ban yo kambun ka kamai kaji ting sisa kata kajing ka jongki nomor ba kajing jongki kalong ban nagaliang jongki ki haban bu kali sete surong ban panhabi ki mar mata te nda slap nda shiteng teng nda kadon ka block ki traffic police ki misha bakin Ïeng kata kajing juga ndito boros kata kelas ki ya sha somehow they manage temen ta ki jing ki lakut nomor ba kumbong epi ki donu ki mar ki mata baki wan ki rong be ka parking lai ka parking hang tai munduna ya kisan po harun rupo tri karikin rong kin panhabi ki mar ki mata la adab nang tu kin le aku kin ra so ki jong stall banan tu ki kali bar ki lipai no ki don ko dok ha dosier kutung ki jor ki jab kin don ki wi di ki stall ru man don ko ke dukan shar won ki barim ki badan boro kin don dukan jan ki beauty parlor ki na tay boro kin don.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.